Oh man, don't you love the smell of screen opener in the morning? Said no one ever. Is this stuff really as bad as it smells? Let's see here. May be fatal to swallowed, extremely flammable, causes skin irritation, do not get in your eyes, and suspected of causing cancer. Yeah, I think so. So instead of you kicking the bucket, we're kicking the can to screen opener. That's right, as of July or August 2019, Ryonet is no longer selling this product. Oh no, what do, right? You have to have it. Actually, you don't need screen opener. Its simple solution is good old-fashioned, high-quality spray bottle and an on-press cleaner like our eco-friendlier Sgreen Supreme. Simple solution is lock your screen in, use a little bit of elbow grease, and you can get just as good of results without all that smell and very possible or probable harm. Take your screen, get a strong spray going with your spray bottle, spray into your stuck position of the screen, and then on both sides with a little bit of elbow grease. Soak that mesh, allow the chemical to penetrate, rub on both sides, and voila. We are free, clear, and ready to print again. Say you even have a worse issue. Do you need that can of screen opener? I don't think so. Again, strong spray bottle, directly into the open mesh area. Your chemical will actually stay in the mesh and then scrub a little bit harder, maybe a little bit longer. Trust me, that elbow grease will be worth it for your lungs and the environment. So, screen opener, I'd say it's nice to know you, but I don't think anyone would actually say that. I'm gonna kick this can over the mountain right now. I almost hit Rob. See you later.